How to pay with debit card on Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can pay with debit card on Pandabuy. Now on Pandabuy, you can pay through different means. You can pay through your PayPal account, you can pay through Stripe, you can pay through card. So I'll be showing you how you can do that in this video. The first thing to do is log into your Pandabuy account. Once you're logged into your Pandabuy account, navigate through to your profile by clicking on the profile icon next to exclamation by the right side of the screen. Just click on your profile icon that way. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of options. Ensure you select user center. Once you've selected that, you'll be brought to your user center page where you see your profile image, your username, your balance. Then this balance, all you need to do is to click on top up. There's top up, there's withdraw. I know we're doing, we are topping up the account by adding money. So just click on top up, then you select the amount you want to top up, for example 50 euros, and then confirm. Once you click on confirm, you take into the page where you have payment options. All right, now I know using PayPal this time around, you are using debit card. So just click on this option. There's the option under PayPal. Then once that is done, you navigate through to confirm payments. Confirm payments is located by the lower right corner of the screen. Just click on it like that. And once you click on it, it will load, and then you'll be directed to another web page where you'll be asked to enter or input information concerning your debit card. Just go ahead and enter your debit card. Notice that the cards accepted are Visa, debit card, your Google Pay card, or your Apple Pay card. So just go ahead, input the card in by the card number, the month, CVC, the full name on the card, billing address, then tick the box and then you click on pay. So this is how you can pay with your debit card on PandaPay. So go ahead and make that payment today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.